Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about 4 different opportunities that I am in personally that I think will be just going nuts in the next few years, if not this year. So starting with Genopets or Genopets, I was part of the initial ICO in this, so I can't say enough. This is backed by Animoca Brands, and I am so far just so impressed with everything I've seen with these guys. So I mean, it started with me being in their ICO, and then I've now got a Genopet, and now they are doing a treasure hunt where you can craft a Genesis habitat. So you can either go through it this way, what they say here, and actually do the treasure hunt and solve the puzzles, which are actually quite hard. Like, it really is brain maths, like you really have to think. Or you can bypass all of that and actually just buy the elements instead of, because there's only a maximum of 5,000 people that in each treasure hunt that can earn the crystals. So what I did was I found the first one so hard and I actually missed it by a day, so I ended up just buying the first crystal that we need, and then I thought, well, I'm competing with 5,000 other people in this, so why don't I just buy all the crystals, because we're allowed to do that too. So I was on a crystal buying spree, crystal NFT buying spree last night. So you can see here I've got my Genesis Genopet, and I bought all these crystals last night. Now you might think, what on earth am I doing this for? There is a reason, and I'll explain it to you here. So, crafting a Genesis habitat. So I wanted to craft a habitat for my Genopet because it's a crafting and evolution game. And what happens is when you have a habitat for it, it allows you to earn key tokens for your steps and produce crystals, craft items, and uncover access to even more ways to upgrade and customize your Genopet, increasing its rarity. So regular habitats produce unrefined crystals of the respective elemental class type. For example, if you have a fire habitat, you can expect to spawn unrefined fire crystals, which you can bring to the lab to refine into a fire genotype crystal. So Genesis habitats are special. Aside from their unique Genesis emblem, what really makes them stand out is that they spawn unrefined crystals of any and all of the elemental classes. Yes, that's right, folks. Instead of having to buy multiple habitats or scour the market for different crystals, so the Genesis habitat is your one-stop shop to refine every genotype crystal in the Genoverse. And, you know, seeing as I'm such a huge fan, it was just a no-brainer to just buy the crystals so I could do this. But it is fun to solve the puzzles, and it is open to the public. You can just buy the seed and then do the treasure hunts if you want to, but just bear in mind you will be competing with other people, and you know, there is a time limit as well. But yeah, it's all fun, and like, just gives me a good insight into what the game will be like. I think it will be amazing, and I can't wait to play it. So I'm really, really excited. So that's that with Genesis, with Genopets. Let's go into the next one. Oh, I'll just go on a bit more. So you can see here there's a countdown for Cypher 3. The first 2 ciphers have been done already, and you can see there's no more of those fire crystals left. Now it's just going to be the next one, Cypher 3 they call it, which means you have to like solve that to get that crystal, and to do that you will need to buy gene tokens and have some soul sitting in your Phantom wallet, or you can just go to Magic Eden and buy them that way, like what I did. So yeah, very, very exciting, but definitely join their Discord if you want to know more and ask questions in there, or join my free Telegram group to ask me any questions. So that's that with Genesis Genopets. Very, very exciting. Now let's move on to the next one. So this one is called Radioshack. So who's behind this is Ty Lopez. If you haven't heard of Ty Lopez, he's a famous dude, the guy behind the Here in My Garage video, if you don't know that one. Yeah, I've followed him right from the start, from 67 steps, so he's onto it. I really trust what he does, so it was a no-brainer to join his Discord group as well, because he's going to be releasing some NFTs this Friday, the 4th. So you still have a chance to get whitelisted for that, and the way to do that is you can bypass all the other ways of getting in just by buying the Radioshack tokens and staking them. So to bypass the other steps, the other ways, is you buy $1,000 worth of Radioshack tokens and then you stake it. So you'll have to do it on the Polygon chain, connect to your MetaMask wallet, and then you just buy the radio tokens and then hit stake. And then I haven't bought that many, but I'm thinking of buying more, just because, I mean, look at the price here and look at what they are giving you as a reward. They're giving you like one staked radio is equivalent to 1.3 radio, so that's like 2% a day. So that's just ridiculous. And look at how, well, yeah, it's ultra cheap. I think this is like ICO price. So yeah, highly recommend this as well. But again, this is just what I'm doing. This is not financial advice, so please do your own research. But yeah, definitely recommend anything Ty Lopez is in. And I'm really excited for his NFTs that are going on sale this Friday, because he is doing things different, and I'm excited because he's going to give his NFTs actual real life utility. So he's buying hotels like in Miami and Copenhagen, which is where I'm from originally, and he's giving his NFT holders the chance to, you can stay at these hotels if you own this NFT. And if you buy his higher up level ones, like he's got 3 levels, there's gold, silver and black. So if you buy black or gold, obviously you get higher level access, like you can get one-on-one access to him and lots of other things. Like, it's just crazy, like really bullish on what he's doing. So I highly recommend that. But yeah, you will have to join his Discord group, so I'll put the link to his group below so you can join that. Very excited. That's up and coming on Friday. And last but not least, the animal farm. So with this, they are also releasing a new pool called the Piggy Bank. So this is the pig pen rather, that I'm already in, and I'm staking for, like, my pigs would be USD, but they are going to be releasing the Piggy Bank, which will be like the Drip Garden, Drip Liberation, and you'll be earning like 3% a day. So you pair pigs with BUSD and you get pigs BUSD liquidity pool tokens, and they earn you 3% a day. But it is a lot like Drip Liberation in that once you deposit it in, it locks your capital, and so your capital gives you a return, but you can't get your capital back out. So just be aware of that. However, seeing as they're just launching very soon, to get in at the start is when you make the most money. So with 3% a day, obviously it's a no-brainer to get in at the very start. But again, not financial advice. Don't put in any more than you can afford to lose. But so far I've been getting very steady growth and returns from the drip garden, and the piggy bank will operate in the same way, but with its pigs and BUSD LP instead. So the price of pigs has increased. Oh, wrong one. Let's find pigs. So if we look at the pigs chart, it has steadily been climbing, and it looks like it's still climbing. You can see it's turned around here. So very bullish on pigs as well. And the animal farm. So I will put a link to join that one as well below. I've been earning, steady amount with these guys. So this is also a very long-term thing for me. But yeah, those are, I've mentioned 4 things now in this video, so I'll keep it to that. If you've got any questions, I've got a free Telegram group. You can just hit me up, ask me in there. I'll direct you to what to do and stuff. Happy to help. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll chat to you guys soon.